Hi, my name is Andy Unverferth, and I'm the Director of Marketing at Unverferth Manufacturing. We're standing in front of the Brent V-Series grain cart. The V-Series is known for downspout visibility. When the operator is unloading, he can see the downspout out of the side window of the tractor cab, making it easier to unload. And with the four-way standard downspout, they can easily top off trucks without having to shift the grain cart around and reposition. We've released some new features and options for the V-Series grain cart that we're highlighting today. A rear access door is now standard on models V1100 and larger. So models V1100, V1300, and V1500 are standard with a rear access door, so you can easily access inside the hopper, clean out between varieties, and do anything you need to do inside the tank. We also have a cutout in the side of the tank for the optional scoreboard scale display. So the combine operator can easily see how much weight is on the grain cart. We have a new cutout in the side of the hopper where that new scoreboard option can mount. And then you can see our new metallic black option for the Brent V-Series grain carts. It's really a high quality baked on paint, and with the metallic in it, it really shines under the correct light. So for more information, we invite you to visit your nearest Brent grain cart dealer or visit BrentEquip.com. We're standing in front of the newly released Parker 3620R seed tender. And the new model features a 21-foot long conveyor. And that's what the R stands for, is the added reach. As the planters get larger and taller, we need that added reach for the conveyor to easily reach into those larger and taller planters. So this is a 360 seed unit capacity tank. It's a split tank, so you can put 2 seed varieties inside the hopper. And we also have a new Dynamica scale available for the Parker seed tenders, and it features a user-friendly interface, an auto unload feature, so you can program in a set amount of seed that you want to unload. It will unload that amount and then stop. Other options for the Parker seed tender include a electric lift raise and lower for the conveyor. We have scales, a talc and graphite applicator to apply lubricants to the seed as you're unloading. The 3620R features an 8-inch wide conveyor. We can unloading speeds for that is up to 35 bushels per minute, so you can quickly fill the planter and get back into the field planting. For more information, you can see your nearest Parker seed tender dealer today or visit ParkerEquip.com. The newly released dry fertilizer cart for the Unverferth Raptor Strip-Tillage tool. This features a 4-ton custom-built tank, standard with an isobus rate controller, hydraulic blower fan, and all the plumbing needed to hook up to a 3-point Raptor Strip-Tillage tool in a 6 or 8-row configuration. We have some new features also available on the Raptor. The Terrain Pro 2-row unit features a streamlined design for some weight savings, so that way we can get those larger mounted toolbars. We also still have our pull-type machines available with a dry or liquid fertilizer system. All come standard from our factory as one complete, ready-to-hit-the-field tool. The Terrain Pro 2-row unit features a new row cleaner, sawtooth row cleaner design, a newly designed depth control wheel for better performance in the field, and some other tweaks and changes, once again, to help improve our weight savings for in the field. So for more information, we invite you to see your nearest Unverferth Raptor Strip-Tillage dealer or visit umequip.com. Hi, my name is Andy Unverferth, and I'm the Director of Marketing for Unverferth Manufacturing. We're standing in front of the Blu-Jet AT3015 liquid fertilizer applicator. The 15 series of liquid applicators are available from 1,700 gallons all the way down to a 1,000-gallon model, which is what we're standing in front of here today. We have a wide range of toolbar sizes available, so you can find the right unit to fit your application needs. Standard with a ground drive pump, but we do have optional hydraulic pumps available. You can get it with nozzle injectors or knife injectors. And we have a newly designed row unit with a horizontal spring that features 1,500 pounds of down pressure. And we're also debuting our new split apply application option, which allows the operator to apply on top of the soil right next to the plant root and also inject in the center of the row with the injector or knife. The applicator can apply with both the hoses and the injector at the same time, or turn off some valves and apply with just the hoses, or just inject in the center of the row. So for more information on the Blu-Jet 15 series of liquid fertilizer applicators, see your nearest Blu-Jet dealer today or visit bluejetequip.com.